Yeah, so this is a continuation of our basic shell. If you haven't seen the previous part, you should click here and there should be a link here. If you can't see it, go to the playlist and access it. All right, so this should be probably day 5. I'm not sure, so um, I'll confirm as well. So this task is env versus the environment, which is env, which is the third parameter passed to main in order to get our environment variable. Environ, which is the global variable, right? A global variable environment. So we want to see the difference between them by checking their address where they are stored, right? And then see what they point to. Okay, so you'll notice that they point to the same um, address, right? They are pointing to the same data in one address, right? Which is the environment variable. So we want to access um, their pointer, the pointer address, right? Their address, right? Since they're pointers, right? So both are pointers, right? So um, it's as simple as that. So what we're gonna do is env versus environ. So we'll vi env versus environ dot c. Okay, so let me just say, let me include my standard io.h. That one we're going to use main, but let me include my uni std.h. Okay, so I don't know if we'll be using anything, so this one will be extern char pointer and environ. So I think this environment we can give it any name, or external char, I don't know. So we're gonna have our int main, so we're gonna pass in our arguments now. So this one will be the first one is int what's it called, AC, right? So that should be a pointer, right? Yeah, let me just int AC. Yeah, let me just copy this, or let me type it, int AC comma. So this one should be a char pointer AV, and then we have char pointer environ, right? I think we should be good this way. Okay, so it's gonna be easy. I'll just say printf, right? Let's print the two at the same time. We'll say %p to print address, right? And then a new line immediately, and then %p as well, a new line. Then we'll just say you should print out, the first one should be the environ, right? And then the second one should be env, right? So let me put my return 0. Okay, so with this we should be able to print the address of environ and the address of env, since we use the both to get our environment variable, right? So let us see, let's compile. Not to compile, I don't want to type this guy. And just put gcc, and the output should be env versus environ. Okay, so press enter, and then it's env versus environ. So we have this is the address. As you can see, environ pointer and also this pointer have the same address, right? So that makes sense, right? So that's the question they were asking you, that does it make sense, right? So it actually makes sense to tell you that okay, they both print at they both have the same address, right, which make them print the same env, right, environment variable. So the next task we'll be talking about get env, right? So we'll talk about that and see what we can do. So basically we are not using the get env function. We'll be the one to, bless you, sorry, excuse me. So we'll be the one to actually create our own. So write the function that get an environment variable. So get env helps you to get an environment variable, right? So and then we are going to, you said without using get env, so we have to create our own get env, right? So do that and see what we can do. All right.